in respect to Sembatia Moses, Sembatia Moses,
What was Sembatia Ibrahim?
Ibrahim, Sembatia Ibrahim. It was, yes. Your worship, it was, upon verification, it was found out that Sembatia Ibrahim is no longer a resident. Is no longer a resident of the area, which appears in his introduction letter.
You have proof?
Yes, Your Worship. I'm coming, Your Worship. Now, in verification, Your Worship, in our affidavit,
You want paragraph 10?
no. I want to refer you first of all, paragraph 8. Paragraph 8. Where we attached his introduction letter, which is in dispute, as an extra F. As an extra F. Yes. Then I want to refer you to paragraph 10 of the affidavit, in which the chairperson LC1 was categorically clear that the said shooter is no longer a resident of that place.
That's the same of Mozana Island?
Yes. And that letter is marked as Annexure G, referred to paragraph 10 of the affidavit. Annexure G.
Yes. This is Mozana Island. Let us look alike. We never look at this one. Yes, they look alike.
Yes, I'll come back to him as well. As the same up for both. Then, in respect to numbers of Ngenda, Your Worship, we attached the letter introducing her as an extra D as per paragraph 8 of the affidavit. And upon verification, numbers of Brenda is a tenant in one of the in that area, and she does not have a fixed place of her home. She's a resident, but she doesn't have a fixed place of her home.
At the same time?
Yes.
Which can shift any time?
Yes. And Your Worship will refer you to paragraph 10. Paragraph 10, yes. No, 9 of the Your Worship, allow me to submit about those two shootings. For a shooting to be substantial or to be considered substantial, there are several considerations that court must look at. One of them, as we say earlier on, is having a fixed place of abode. Which does not exist in our instant case. The current residence of Sembatia is not known. Nambozo is a tenant who is temporal and can shift anytime.